Hello everybody, Prono Sports Cards here. We're just going to open up a pack of Topps Baseball 2022 Series 1. We're hoping to get some Royal Blue Parallel Base cards, and you actually have a chance to pull some autographs, different ones actually too. So let's get this going here. Oh boy, it's up weird here. Alright, starting off we got Zack Greinke. Upside down. Switch them around here. Ivan Castillo. Ahmed Rosario. Max Scherzer. I know him. Matt Barnes. Matthew Boyd. Austin Meadows. Framber Valdez. So I gotta flip this way again. Rachel Iglesias. Taylor Rogers. Mason Thompson. David Price. I'll take Andrew Vaughn, Future Stars. Okay, we got Julio Urias, Jose Abreu, Cal Hendricks, Yu Darvish. Welcome to the show, Eddie Murray. Insert. Not numbered. Kind of a cool card. Stars of the MLB, Aaron Judge. Also not numbered. Stars of the MLB, Jose Ramirez. Not numbered. And back to some base. Looks like a rookie, Patrick Mazeika. Pedro Severino. Got Chad Pinder. Jake Cousins. Christian Walker. Michael Conforto. Oops, sorry about that, guys. We got Jorge Mateo. Hunter Renfroe. Spencer Howard. That was rookie cards last year. Tyler Gilbert. Cedric Mullins. Didi Gregorius. Logan Gilbert. And moving on. Chris Taylor walks off the National League Wild Card game. Colorado Rockies. And Arizona Diamondbacks. Well, that's it, you guys. I was hoping for a Wander Franco, but he evaded me again. Anyways, hope you liked the video. God bless. Thanks for watching.